Hello there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, I will discuss the benefits of learning computer programming. Computer programming is an art and science of giving instruction to the computer. A computer without computer programs is useless because it becomes productive or useful in our day-to-day lives when we are using a computer program. So there are 5 reasons why it is important to learn computer programming. Number one, understand how the computer works. It sounds very very common, but learning how to program, which enables us to understand the inner working of the computer. Most people are casual computer users. They are just turn on the computer, play computer games, type using Microsoft Word as their word processing software, Excel, create Excel spreadsheets, listening to music, creating PowerPoint presentation, or watching movies, or creating graphics design, video editing, so on and so forth. Learning computer programming, it enables us to understand how the different components of the computer works accordingly. For example, if we want to put a scanner, a barcode scanner in our application, so we have to interface with our program. Another example, if we want our computer to send SMS or short messaging system, we are also attaching device such as SMS device to send interface to our program. And if we want to generate reports in our payroll system that we have created, we are interfacing with the printer. By doing so, we gain experience and knowledge on how the inner working of computers work, because we are creating a program on it. Number 2, learning computer programming develops problem-solving skills. Basically, computer programming is a problem-solving activity. So in problem solving, first we identify what is the problem. Second, we find probable solution to that particular problem. Third, we encode the instruction using a programming language. For example, we using Java, C or C++. We convert the problem into machine instruction that the computer will follow. Fourth, we perform testing to check if the right result that we are expecting our programs giving us. In the testing process, it also includes debugging, finding errors in our program. That's number 4. Number 5, deployment. We deploy our program to our client or to the user. And then number 6, documentation. We document all the things that we have done in our program. Documentation, guys, includes creating user manuals, how to use the program, troubleshooting if the program encountering an error, what the first thing to do by the user, and also tutorials. And then number 6 is maintenance. Every computer program should have to be maintained. No program is written in cement, so What I'm trying to say is that every program can be changed according to the need of the client or the user or the need of the organization. That's for number 2. Number 3, improves analytical thinking skills. If while we are learning how to create a program, gradually it develops our ability to think logically. To think logically, we are thinking how we can solve this particular problem, what are the probable solutions, so it improves not only our problem solving skills but our logical thinking skills and mathematical skills. We try to improve our ability to think in intuition to find solutions. So it helps us also to make our brain think effectively and efficiently. Number 4, compute it open up jobs opportunities related to information technology or the use of computers. Nowadays, almost all courses in college requires at least one or two computer subjects. There are thousands of job opening in the market today. So if you are very good in computer programming, there is a big opportunity for you to find a good and high paying job because there is a big demand, and there are some companies that are willing to pay you big amount of salary just to work with them as a computer programmer, web developer, software engineer, software quality assurance, functional analyst, software testers, system administrator, network administrator, so on and so forth. And then when you're applying for a job, most of the job description, even though it is not related to computer, for example office clerk, but you have to know how to use a computer also. And then if you have knowledge in computers, you can automate your day-to-day task. That's number 4. And then lastly, number 5, reason why we'll learn computer programming is to understand the capabilities and limitations of computers. Computer is one of the most fascinating machines ever invented by man. It has the ability to process data at a very high speed and accuracy. But we have to understand that a computer is also a machine. It does not have a life of its own. By learning how to program, we are able to understand its limitation. One of the most major limitation of a computer is that it cannot think on its own. It is very dependent to the human intervention. Second, computers cannot correct wrong instruction of its own. So it means that if the program that is being fed to the computer has a mistake or erroneous, it will follow the instruction all over again because it was the instruction that is being assigned to that machine, to the computer. So by understanding how computer programming works, we can able to appreciate the strengths and weaknesses of using a computer as a tool in our day-to-day lives. That's all from my personal understanding and opinion on the benefits of learning computer programming. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pombrada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.